Visit any Expat for relocation assistance and onlyowners.net for vacation rentals.
Okay, so I have another house for you guys today. For this house, they're asking $65,000, so it's the most expensive one that I've showed. It's on 2 levels. Each level is probably around 1,800 square feet. So just under, probably around 3,500 square foot in total. There's 1 floor that's completely move-in ready, and I'll show you that. It's even furnished. And then there's a 2nd level that needs some love. Could potentially be renovated into a 2nd apartment. Has a garage. It also has a large roof deck. So let me take you inside and show you what you can get for $65,000. The house is here on the corner. It has newer plaster up at the top. There is a garage down there. And again, my realtor has the challenge to try to show you how to get into that garage. So more to come there. But you walk up here into the front entrance. So this is the front entryway. I'm going to take you upstairs first. Yes, there is a well. That is your water source. Your water is held in that well right there. It's not well water, it's city water. But there is a well that was used in the past. This stairwell is made of trapenaise stone. So really beautiful detail there. Unique to the area, big skylight. So you walk upstairs, and the upstairs part is what is finished and ready to move into. It is 1 bedroom, 1 full bathroom. How it's set up right now, you could probably set it up as a 2-bedroom. So you walk in, this would be your sitting room. There are 6 Juliet balconies like this with these gorgeous doors. Historic details there, very tall ceilings. To the left here, you have a kitchen. Yes, this kitchen is installed. 2 balconies here, big dining table. Next to that, there's currently a formal dining room, but this is where you could potentially make a 2nd bedroom. Over on the right-hand side, this is your primary bedroom here. Again, with a Juliet balcony. In here, you have really big full-size bathroom. And then here you have storage. Now, coming back through the formal dining room, we also have, this is a little storage room here, another big balcony, and spiral staircases to go up to the roof. Yes, there is a roof deck. So let me take you up, bear with me. So currently you have your laundry up here. You could potentially move that into the kitchen if you don't want to do your laundry up here. And then, I can't get this door open right now, but you have this big roof deck up here with gorgeous views of the countryside. Okay, so that was the part that's move-in ready. Let me take you now downstairs to show you the part that needs some love. Okay, so we're back at the front entrance. Instead of going upstairs, we're gonna go straight. And there is some moisture damage in this house that does need to be repaired. All of these houses have some sort of moisture in it. This really big full-size bathroom, water heaters in here. This needs some work. And then now we're gonna go across the way. Okay, so if we go across the way, and I'm sorry, but I can't get that door open or the light on. You have this little room here. Your water motor is there. Look at these tiles. They're gorgeous. A separate entrance here. Right now they have a utility sink there, little bit of furniture. There is a 2nd kitchen over here. Wood burning stove, kitchen table. This is where I think if you renovate this, you could potentially make a 2nd little apartment down here. It would need some work, right? And then over here, this is the garage. It is massive. These ceilings have to be at least 12 foot, if not higher. And you'll see, not only is it a large space, there's also a loft space up here right now. And I mean, this is just a blank slate of what you could do in here, but it could be something pretty cool. I'm not going to go up there, but. So again, a really special place, move-in ready. Might not be your style, you know, with the furniture and all that, and the furniture would have to be something that could be negotiated with the seller to see if they would leave it. Same with the kitchen and same with all that kind of stuff too. But you could essentially show up here with a suitcase and move right in. Gorgeous details like this trapezoid stone stairs, 6 Juliet balconies, a big roof deck that you could do a lot with, and then you could live here and work on this downstairs part and potentially renovate it into another apartment to rent out, or, you know, a separate apartment. So, you know, when friends and family come to stay with you, which they'll want to, they have a place to stay. So anybody that's interested, please let me know, and I'll continue to show what you can get for your money here in small town Sicily.
Visit any Expat for relocation assistance and onlyowners.net for vacation rentals. Don't forget to like and subscribe.